What's up guys, Express here, and in this video I have something special. We have two designers that battle off to see who has the best design. The two designers that I have this time is Bones and Gigu. The rules are very simple. You have to have a themed header, use my name, and they can use any image. I don't want to limit them on the images yet. Maybe in the next episode we can do something like that. But for the first pilot episode I thought don't limit them on the design. And they can choose the theme as well, and they went for the Naruto theme. Maybe next time we do something different. And if you want to join this series, make sure to join the Discord and let me know in the Discord server. There's gonna be a VS challenge chat where you can post your name. So Gigu has a nice portfolio. I really like his 3D text that he does. He has a lot of bright colors in his designs that I really like. The other designer, Bones, has really of the more darker kind of designs, but really nice 3D text as well. So let's just jump straight into the design battle and let's see what they made at the end. At the end I'll also give my opinion on the designs and you guys can vote in the comments who won, and then in the next episode you guys will know who won in the previous battle. So I see you guys at the end of the battle. I think that they came out really nice. I love what they both did to their designs. So yeah, let's start with Bones, of course. Let's see what he made. He made a really nice design. Really love the 3D text that he did. I think Express and Express on top is a bit too much of Express. The color correction that he did, I'm not the biggest fan of, and I'm not the biggest fan of the red. Let me know what you guys think of Bones. So of course, the other designer, Gigu, let's see what he made. I think this is really nice design as well. Really love the 3D text. And then the color correction, I think I'm a bit more fan of his style. With the black gradient, I think everything fits more for the background. I really like what they both did. They have a both unique kind of style. And also, if you want to participate in this VS challenge, let me know in the Discord server in the VS challenge chat, and then I can contact you and the other designer who you will be up against. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more ideas on this kind of challenge, let me know. Make sure to vote in the comments down below who won, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.